In this video we are going to see the problem on the checksum. So checksum, first you have to break the original message into k number of blocks with the n number of bits in each block. Okay, your message will be given, you have to break the blocks into k values with the equal number of n bits in each block. Then you have to sum all the data blocks, and if there is any carry you have to add it with the sum, and the final you have to add the ones complement and to the sum, and the final value, it is the what you have obtained in the ones complement, will be the checksum. Okay, let us go to the problem. Consider the data to be transmitted as this is a long data we have to transmit it. So what I am doing is I am going to say segment this block with the 8 bits. So this contains an 8 bit, this is one block, this contains an 8 bits one block, this contains an 8 bit one box. So 1 2 3 4 blocks with the 8 bits. You can have k number of blocks with the n number of bits. So for a usually we have it with the 8 numbers, 8 bits. So I'm having I'm segregating it as with the 8 bits. Okay. So next we have to add. What the next step it is, I am segregated, that's sum of all k data blocks. You have to sum all the blocks. So first I am writing that is 1 1 0 0 double 1 double 0 1, the first block. Second block, triple 1 triple 0 1 0, triple 1 triple 0 1 0. Next block it is double 1 0 double 0 1 double 0 1 double 0. This is the third block. Fourth block it is 1 4 zeros 1 double 0, 1 4 zeros 1 double 0. Next what you have to do, it is you have to all the sum all the values. So first it is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1, and here it is 1 plus 0 plus 1, it is 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 1, it is 1, and here it is you are having two ones. So 1 plus 1, it is 1 plus 1, it is 10 1 0 actually. So I am having 0 here and bringing 1 to the 1 as a carry. So 1 plus 1 10, sorry, it is actually not 10, it is 1 0. So it is 0, and here it is 1. So 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 plus 1, it is 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 plus 1, it is 1 1 and 1. So I am bringing 1 here and carry to the numerator, sorry, carry to the other side. So 1 plus 1, it is 1 0. So having 0 and keeping carry 1 here. So I am having 4 ones here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 1 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 0 plus 1, it is 1 1, 1 1 plus 1, so which is equal to 1 0 0. So if not else you can have it as here we are having 4 ones, 1 2 3 4. So 4 ones we are having. So 4 equivalent binary digit of 4 is 1 0 1 0. So if you are considering here 1 2 3 ones you are having. So 3 equivalent binary number is 1 1. So you can have 1 here, 1 and 1 here. Okay, so like that you can have. So next thing, it is 1 0. So I am having it as 1 and 1 0 as a carry here. So this 1 0, it is a carry. So 1 1 1. So 4 ones. So 4 1 equivalent value, it is 1 double 0. So I am having a 0 here and carry of 1 0. So you have to bring that carry here and add to the sum. So 1 0. So what is the final value? So 1 plus 0, it is 1. 1 plus 1, it is double 0 1. So again it is 0. Here it is 1. So 1 0 1 0 0. So what the step you have to do? So we have added the carry to the sum and do ones complement to the sum, which is the checksum. So this is the thing we have obtained. So you have to take the ones complement. So you have 1 1 0 0 ones complement 1, 1's complement 0, 1 1 0. So which is the checksum. This is the checksum. So you have to add, you have to keep this checksum here. Okay, so with this checksum, So this is the checksum we have had. So this in transmitter side, they will have the checksum plus four blocks of data. Four blocks of data they will transmit throughout the medium. Checksum plus four data blocks they will transmit. So how to check in receiver side? So in receiver side, we have to collect all the data blocks and sum all the data blocks plus checksum, and if the result is 1, accept or else you will reject. Okay, so what the data blocks we have sent? Actually, the data blocks we have sent or data blocks we have sent, it is like like 100 data blocks we say 100 1101. So 100 1101. First block I have sent. So let me write here. And another block I have another block I'm having, it is another block, it is 111 111 So here one value is missing, 01. Here it is 01. Okay, third one it is 00 and fourth one the value it is 4 zeros 130 3 zeros. Okay, so this is the data word. This is the data word they have sent, and with the data word we have to add the checksum value. Checksum value we have obtained, it is 110101110. This is the checksum value we have set. So we have to add all those values. So here it is only 1 here 1. So here 1 plus 1, 2 ones are here. So the answer it is 10. So 0 carry will be moved. So 1 2 3 ones. So 3 ones equivalent number, it is 1. It is 1. So 1 2 3. Again 3 ones. So it is 1. So the fourth value it should be moved to 1. So 1 plus 1 it is 3. 1 1. Next it is 1. Here it is 1. So 1 3 ones 1 1. So here it is 5 ones are there. 5 equal number, it is 101. So 101. So 1 0 1. So 0 1, that is a carry value that should be added here 1 0. So on adding 1 plus 1 it is 1. So all those values are the same. So if all the values are 1, all or 1, you can accept or else you can reject. Accept, it means checksum is correct.